I bought a Panasonic DMP BD-79 Blu-ray player second-hand the other day, and I wanted to unlock it for DVD multi-region playback. Using my really old Android HTC One with an infrared port, I managed to install IR Plus on it. I downloaded these to the internal memory of the phone. So the first one I will pick is the top one. Now this has the unlocking sequence stored for each of these numbers in here. What you can do is actually import the macro file, which is this one, and it's very straightforward. What you need to do is switch on your Blu-ray player, insert a disc which is outside of your region, try to play it, and then you'll see the error message. At that point you can aim the smartphone at the player and just press multi-region. It fires off a sequence very quickly. After it's sent the codes, you will see a couple of digits on the screen of the actual TV, and at that point go back to this screen and just power down the device. Don't have to turn it off at the wall or anything. Power back on the device and then press play either on here or on the actual remote, and you'll be able to play your DVD region free. Very straightforward. Maybe you have a different Blu-ray player, but you're able to find the codes. The codes actually stored for this Panasonic player are in the Pronto format, and you can see them there. They're the hexadecimal codes, quite long strings, and those codes are often quite easy to find. So quite an easy thing to do is to edit these files and to put them on your device and go and unlock your player.